Hello everyone, I am Shalu Kevadramani from Takshila Learning. So today we are going to start with the topic before, after and between numbers for kindergarten. So by the end of the session, you will understand the introduction of the topic and its application. Before starting with the topic, I need to know whether you have a brief information or a knowledge regarding the topic so that you could be able to understand the topic more better. Like the first question is, which number comes before 8? So when we count till 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which number came before 8 was 7. Now the next is, which number comes after 15? After 15 means we'll count from 11 onwards. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the next number 16. So after 16, after 15 is 16. Third one is, which number comes in between 4 and 6? So we'll count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So between 4 and 6 was 5. So let's start with the topic. The first is after number. So when we count forward from the given number, we get after numbers. As you can see in the image, the arrow is moving forward. So after numbers are also known as forward numbers. Let's start with some examples of after numbers. The first one is 8. So which number comes after 8? We'll count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 9. So after 8 is 9. Now next is 4. Which number comes after 4? 4, 5. Which number comes after 2? 2, 3. Which number comes after 7? 7, 8. Which number comes after 9? 9, 10. Which number comes after 3? 4. Which number comes after 5? 6. Which number comes after 1? 2. Which number comes after 6? 7. Now the next topic is before number. When we count backward from a given number, we get before number. Like if we count backward from 7, what we can see? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. What comes before 11 is 10. That means we have to see the number that is coming 1 before that number. What comes before 18 is 17. What comes before 15 is 14. What comes before 13 is 12. What comes before 6 is 5. What comes before 16 is 15. What comes before 9 is 8. What comes before 4 is 3. What comes before 8 is 7. Now let's move to between numbers. So what are between numbers? Between numbers are those numbers which lie in the middle of two numbers. Like if I say, if there is a number 3, 4 and 5. So which number lies between 3 and 5 is 4. If numbers are like 6, 7 and 8. So which number lies between 6 and 8 is 7. So let's do the exercise of between numbers. The first number is 1 and 3. So we have to see what number comes between 1 and 3. is 2. 1, 2 and 3. Next is 7 and 9. So what number comes between 7 and 9? 8. Next is 6 and 8. So what number will come in between 6 and 8 is 7. Next is 3 and 5. So which number will come in between 3 and 5? That is 4. Next is 2 and 4. So between 2 and 4 we will have 3. Next number is 8 and 10. So in between 8 and 10 we will have 9. Next is 5 and 7. So which number will come in between 5 and 7? 6. Next we have 4 and 6. So which number will come in between 4 and 6 is 5. So what we have learned today? We have learned about the introduction, the definition of before, after and between numbers and their application. So this is your assignment. You can pause the video and note down the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask us. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.